Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of gaming, where every click matters. Yes, you guessed it, we're talking about the best gaming mechanical keyboards of 2024. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate gaming experience, you're in the right place. Smash that like button, and let's get started. Number 5. Razer Huntsman 2 TKL. The Razer Huntsman 2 TKL is the pinnacle of gaming brilliance in the mechanical keyboard domain in 2024. With its revolutionary features and cutting-edge technology, this small powerhouse elevates gaming to new heights. Razer's trademark optical switches provide an ultra-fast actuation speed of 1.0 millimeters on the Huntsman 2 TKL. This assures lightning-fast response times. Number 4. Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed. The Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed is the pinnacle of gaming brilliance in 2024. This little mechanical gaming keyboard packs a punch, combining Razer's famed precision with unique features designed specifically for gamers. The Black Widow V3 Mini provides a flawless and lag-free gaming experience thanks to Razer's Hyperspeed wireless technology, which ensures that every keystroke is registered with lightning-fast precision. The small form factor is ideal for people who want a minimalist work layout without sacrificing performance. With Razer's trademark mechanical switches, each keystroke provides physical and oral feedback, improving the gaming and typing experience. The RGB chroma backlighting on the keyboard is also adjustable, allowing players to create a personalized gaming atmosphere. The Black Widow V3 Mini is designed for versatility, with dedicated media controls, programmable macro support, and Razer Synapse compatibility for fine-tuning and customization. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive sports fan, the Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed is the go-to mechanical gaming keyboard for 2024, providing a great balance of performance, portability, and design. The Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed continues to push the boundaries of mechanical gaming keyboards in 2024. This pocket-sized powerhouse redefines the gaming experience by emphasizing portability without sacrificing the performance that gamers require. Razer's Hyperspeed wireless technology is the star of the show, providing a wireless connection so fast and steady that you'll forget you're not using a wired setup. This capability is a game changer, especially for gamers who want to move freely without sacrificing quickness. The Black Widow V3 Mini's compact appearance does not imply a reduction in quality. Razer's famed mechanical switches, configurable RGB chroma backlighting, and long-lasting construction ensure that every keystroke is not only precise but also visually pleasing. Each key's tactile feedback improves the overall gaming and typing experience, making it a versatile addition to any setup. Gamers will appreciate the smart inclusion of discrete media controls, which provide rapid access to volume and playback choices. The keyboard's programmable macro functionality and Razer Synapse compatibility enhance its customization capabilities, catering to a wide range of gaming preferences. The Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed is a testament to Razer's devotion to innovation, whether you're a mobile gamer or someone who loves a clutter-free workstation. It is still the pinnacle of a mechanical gaming keyboard in 2024, flawlessly blending performance, mobility, and style for the discerning gamer. Number 3. SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL. The SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL is the pinnacle of mechanical gaming excellence in 2024. With its cutting-edge features, this tiny, tournament-ready keyboard packs a punch, making it a standout choice for gamers looking for a competitive edge. The Apex 3 TKL features mechanical switches that provide tactile feedback and lightning-fast response speeds for an unparalleled gaming experience. Its tankless design reduces space while still ensuring swift, efficient movement during strenuous gaming sessions. The Apex 3 TKL's programmable RGB lighting allows you to tailor your setup and create an immersive gaming atmosphere. The keys are whisper quiet, achieving the right blend of responsiveness and stealthy operation, making them ideal for late-night gaming without disturbing others. The Apex 3 TKL is built to last, with a sturdy design that can handle the demands of prolonged gaming. The separate media controls and customizable macros make it easier to fine-tune your games without interfering with the action. In conclusion, the SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL is the best mechanical gaming keyboard in 2024, combining performance, compact design, and configurable options to push your gaming experience to new heights. Dive further into gaming bliss with the SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL, the greatest mechanical gaming keyboard in 2024. This small powerhouse not only demonstrates precision with its mechanical switches, but it also embraces innovation to meet the ever-changing needs of the gaming community. The mechanical switches of the Apex 3 TKL provide a deep tactile experience, guaranteeing that each keystroke is more than just a command, but a pleasant sensation. The 10-keyless design of the keyboard, in addition to saving space, enables for quick, unfettered mouse movements, providing gamers with the agility they require in critical situations. Because of its dynamic RGB lighting, the Apex 3 TKL puts customization front and center. Customize the keyboard to match your gaming setup or sync it with in-game events for a completely immersive experience. The whisper quiet keys create the perfect mix between responsiveness and silence, giving you a sneaky advantage during long gaming sessions. The Apex 3 TKL is known for its durability. This keyboard is designed to survive the most intense gaming sessions. Its sturdy build ensures durability, giving it a dependable friend for endless encounters in the virtual sphere. Never give up control when you have dedicated media controls and programmable macros at your disposal. Without interrupting your gaming flow, you can change audio settings, skip tracks, or conduct sophisticated instructions. In essence, the SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL emerges as the pinnacle of mechanical gaming keyboards in 2024, providing unrivaled performance, a sleek look. Number 2, KRON Q6. In 2024, meet the KRON Q6, the pinnacle of mechanical gaming keyboards. With its amazing features and performance, this cutting-edge keyboard is meant to boost your gaming experience. The KRON Q6 is a sleek and robust design with RGB backlighting that provides a dynamic flair to your gaming setup. Its mechanical switches have a tactile and responsive feel that ensures precision and speed with every keystroke. The KRON Q6 adaptability is one of its most notable features. It switches between wireless and wired modes with ease, giving you the freedom of a wireless connection without sacrificing responsiveness. The keyboard is device agnostic, making it an excellent alternative for gamers who switch between platforms. Customization is essential, and the Q6 provides that. Gamers can obtain a competitive advantage by customizing their keyboard with programmable keys and macro capabilities. The sturdy structure of the keyboard provides longevity, even during intense gaming sessions. In conclusion, the KRON Q6 is the best mechanical gaming keyboard in 2024, combining style, performance, and versatility to fulfill the needs of serious gamers. With the KRON Q6, you can take your gaming setup to a new level of precision and comfort. With the KRON Q6, a masterpiece developed for the discriminating gamer in 2024, you can dive into the future of gaming keyboards. This mechanical marvel exceeds expectations in terms of performance, customization, and wireless capability. The looks of the KRON Q6 are excellent. Its sleek yet attractive design complements any gaming setup, and the RGB illumination provides a lively touch. The mechanical switches beneath each key create a pleasant tactile reaction, ensuring that every keystroke feels precise and responsive, essential for high-level gaming. The Q6 genuinely shines in terms of versatility. Switch between wireless and wired modes with ease, providing the freedom of wireless without sacrificing the quick responsiveness required by intense gaming sessions. Number 1, Corsair K70RGBT. The Corsair K70RGBT is the pinnacle of mechanical gaming keyboards in 2024. This small powerhouse combines the best of Corsair's gaming expertise with a small 10-keyless design to provide a streamlined gaming experience without losing performance. The Cherry MX mechanical key switches on the K70RGBT will provide tactile feedback and speedy responsiveness for accurate gaming and lightning-fast typing. Its 10 keyless design saves desk space and is great for gamers who prefer a clean and efficient setup. Guys, there concludes our top 5 best gaming mechanical keyboards of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.